Hi guys and welcome to another video. I'm Daniel and this will not be tutorial, but instead it's a special video. So in case you don't know, I have just launched my UiPath Advanced Developer course, which is published on Udemy, that helps you in the easiest way to pass the Advanced Developer certification from UiPath. Now, besides helping you to get 100% that exam, also I have included a bonus chapter to some advices that you can apply in enterprise scenarios or in projects that are very large. So I wanted to give this for free to existing UiPath developers to review my content. And while I thought initially 10 people they will be enough, well, you guys have submitted more than 100 requests, and you have seen this form on the UiPath group from Facebook and from LinkedIn, and I really appreciate the amount of submission which you have here. Now, as a recognition, and I really want to thank you for that, I'm not gonna stick to the 10 amount of winners, and I will not double, but I will triple the amount of winners. So 30 people, they will receive this email link with the confirmation to his email inbox that you have filled in here. Great. So what I'll do here, I'm gonna do the extraction of the 30 people, and I'll actually send the email to them. And while I thought initially this will be a live video, it's more fitted for that. Well, we're gonna deal with a lot of emails and I don't want to be published, I want to blur. So that's the reason I didn't create it, I didn't went for this live demo. What I'll do here, I'm gonna first not accepting responses and I'll download all the responses in the CSV file. Now there is already, I have played a bit with these files because I want to do some testing. So this is the file, the latest one. I can just close. And I have here a robot, which I'm going to tell you in a moment what I have, why I have created. So go here in the 7-zip. Great. So while I thought initially that a service like random.org would help me to make this choose, well, unfortunately, I couldn't find any service based on a CSV or an Excel to be able to pick randomly a certain amount of winners. And because I said, okay, I'm just going to create a robot that does that, I did exactly that. So this robot I have created, and also I'm going to put a video. The next video is the way how I created. This one is reading a CSV file. It's named UiPath Advanced Developer in this course, and it outputs the amount of winners with the winners, and I have 30 winners here. Now the robot is in the format you will receive. It will write an Excel file. However, I have changed to CSV because I wanted to use another service, which is SendGrid, but you will see that in a moment. So if I'm gonna let this robot to run, what you'll face, I should have here this file, which is named winners, which I'm gonna open now. And these are the winners that they have won the contest. Now, some of them you didn't fill in the name, so I'm gonna blur this email address and I'm gonna fill in myself now the name. So I'm gonna just take some values from the email. Khemeni. I hope I didn't spell it wrong. Okay. Okay, I think this is a guy from Romania from the ID. Okay, and I'm gonna replace the URL with his name because I'm gonna use this column as a first name to send a bulk email. So I'll change this and also this and maybe this. And the last one. I hope I didn't spell it wrong, guys. I'm really sorry for that. So Rahul, I think I have a spelling here. Great. So I have here 31. This one is the column name, the column first. So I'm gonna just close this, and I'll go in the SendGrid. By the way, the reason I have just used this service, I could easily create another robot that based on the amount of winners to send an email to you. So when you do that, you will probably be highlighted in a spam. Some of you have the email address Gmail. Well, unfortunately, you cannot see it, but a bunch of you're using Google account. And if you're sending at the same time to multiple Google accounts, it will be the probability to be marked as a spam. And I don't want to do that. And for that, I have chosen to choose a service, which is SendGrid for that. So first, I want to import the context. I have created this list. I'm gonna just, I think I'm gonna need to open first and upload CSV. And let's drag and drop. Okay, so I'm gonna add in included in existing list, I think. So I'm gonna choose these UiPath Advanced winners. Review CSV. Okay, this I need to skip it. There is the date, which I'm not interested. This is the email, and this field is the first name. I'm gonna hit add context. Okay, we are done. And we should see here, we are seeing all contacts 50 people. Okay, I have used previously this SendGrid, so that's the reason I probably have this the remaining contacts. So what we're interested, I'm interested only in this list. So we have 30 people. Okay, so I'm gonna go here to the next tab. Okay, so for the recipients, I'm gonna choose the UiPath Advanced certification winners. And let's choose first the send test email address. So I'm gonna choose my training automationpl.com. Okay, you must recipients have unsubscribed from your email. Okay, maybe I need to add here in the list. So I'm gonna do a manual add here. So add context, I'm gonna manual add to existing list. I'm gonna choose here and I'm gonna add myself. Okay. Okay, that should be 31. I have seen this message. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this page. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, so we have here 31. Now I go here to the next page. I have 31 contacts also. So in the body of the email, I'm gonna send here the activation link. Please keep in mind that it's only available 48 hours. I have just created the ticket. So we have 31 people. I'm not gonna test. I have the subject, congratulations for winning the UiPath course. Click save and send. Almost there. You want to send yes, confirm send. And that should be sent. Great. So guys, this is the email which has been sent. Now I see that it's scheduled for run in 5:21. This is, I think, Central Time, which means GMT +2. Let me know if you have received this form. Also, check the spam folder. Now, I want to thank you for everyone that you have participated to this. I'm gonna put link, by the way, to the next video. Is how I made this robot. I'm just gonna explain step by step how you can generate some numbers and how you can create a CSV or a data table from an existing one. By the way, doesn't it put it twice? So it generates numbers, but it considers the one which are already winners, marked. Guys, that was all. And I really need to thank you for everyone who have participated to this. Now, I'm looking forward to let me know in the Udemy your review and also in the private message what we can improve and what I can change to make this course even better. And let me know if it helped you to get this certification. That was for today, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.